I've got some exciting news to share with you today, and it's all about a fresh, thrilling way to earn extra cash. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. But before we dive into it, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Now picture yourself making over $100,000 in just 5 months. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, and what's even better is that not many people know about this incredible opportunity. It's 100% legitimate, super easy to get started with, and it has the potential to revolutionize your financial game. But here's the catch. If you want to stay in the loop and never miss out on amazing opportunities like this one, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up. We've got plenty of fantastic content coming your way, so don't miss out on anything. ChatGPT has grown tremendously in the last 6 months. However, there's a notable challenge that many people face. They struggle with how to use it effectively. They find it difficult to ask the right questions to obtain the best results. Consequently, they turn to various sources for assistance. Interestingly, some are finding help right on Etsy. People are selling something known as ChatGPT prompts on Etsy. These prompts essentially consist of the questions you input into ChatGPT to receive specific responses. To achieve the desired outcome, you need to use the correct prompts depending on what you're aiming for. This is why a new market has emerged and is currently in high demand. To gauge its popularity, you can visit Etsy directly. Simply search for ChatGPT prompts, and you'll see a list of commonly sought-after prompts. These include prompts for YouTube, Etsy, real estate, teaching, social media marketing, business, and even ministry. If you wish to explore more options, just start typing random letters and you'll uncover additional search terms. The excellent part about this is that the level of competition is quite low, increasing your chances of earning money with it. If you visit Etsy and search for baby t-shirts, you'll discover more than 400,000 results. However, when you search for ChatGPT prompts for baby, you'll only find about 1,000 results. So, which one is more likely to bring in money for you? The one with over 400,000 sellers or the one with just 1,000? You might be wondering, are you suggesting that I sell ChatGPT ideas to people when I'm the one who needs them because I don't know what ideas to use? Don't worry. We can utilize ChatGPT to generate the best ideas for different subjects. Some of you may ask, if it's that simple, why can't the people we're selling search for them themselves? Well, here's the deal. People are willing to pay for convenience to simplify their lives and free up time for other tasks. Now, let's return to the topic of selling ChatGPT ideas so you can start earning money. This is the account I showed you earlier, selling ChatGPT ideas. These are the different products they offer, covering everything people need in terms of ChatGPT ideas. Before getting into it, it's essential to do your research. I bought the most popular ChatGPT ideas from this seller to understand what they provide. They offer PDFs with instructions on how to set up ChatGPT accounts and various types of ideas, often organized in Google Docs or Excel sheets. Now let's visit ChatGPT. Creating an account is completely free. Inform ChatGPT that you're a skilled ChatGPT idea creator specializing in generating the best ChatGPT ideas related to YouTube. For example, you can request 10 ideas for ChatGPT prompt lists on YouTube. ChatGPT will provide a list of prompt ideas for you to consider using. For those topics, I chose creative writing for this video. I asked ChatGPT to create an interesting introduction and outro for my chosen topic. If you're not satisfied with the initial responses, you can always refine your request. I also asked for a list of tips and strategies on how to become a good creative writer, and as you can see, it generated another set of ideas. Going through these ideas, I found them suitable for beginners through advanced writers. Most Etsy sellers offer hundreds or thousands of ideas, so you can inquire if more ideas are available. ChatGPT will continue to provide additional ideas in response to your requests. Once you think you've gathered enough ideas about a specific topic, it's important to simply copy and paste them. Personally, I used Google Docs for this. After ensuring all my settings were saved correctly, I returned to ChatGPT and asked for about 50 prompts that could assist in becoming a skilled creative writer. Additionally, I asked for 50 prompts related to enhancing search engine optimization and another 50 prompts related to crafting captivating descriptions and tags. I selected this topic because creative writing is a popular hobby among many individuals, and sometimes they need a little extra spark to get their imaginations going. After getting all these prompts, I placed them into my Google Docs. Now, this collection contains more than 700 distinct ChatGPT prompts, which you don't have to generate from scratch. It's quite simple when it comes to assembling these prompts. One important step is to create a PDF. This is what your customers will download from Etsy. You can make one for free on Canva. I just searched for a "thank you for digital download" template, picked one and customized it to express my gratitude to the buyer. This PDF should contain a clickable link that allows customers to access the ChatGPT prompts. To add this link, I went to my Google Doc, copied the shareable link, and pasted it into the Canva template. Finally, it's important to create an attractive image to showcase what you're selling. You can design this for free on Canva as well. Look for a template related to digital products or Etsy, customize it by specifying the number and type of prompts you're offering, and add elements related to your product, such as YouTube-related images and eye-catching details. Ensure that the image dimensions are 2000 by 2000 pixels for a high-quality Etsy listing. To list your items on Etsy, you'll need to upload the digital file, which is the PDF containing the prompts, and provide all the required details. Once you've completed these steps, you can make your item listing public. And there you have it, guys. Selling ChatGPT prompts on Etsy is a fantastic opportunity to earn some extra income, and I hope you found this guide helpful. But the excitement doesn't end here. Now it's your turn to get in on the action and start your own journey as a ChatGPT idea creator. Remember, the key to success is putting in the effort and offering valuable prompts to your customers. Whether you're targeting YouTubers, business owners, or educators, there's a niche waiting for your expertise. But before we wrap things up, if you've enjoyed this content and want to stay up to date with more exciting tips, tricks, and giveaways like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be joining our growing community of ChatGPT enthusiasts, and you won't miss a single piece of valuable content. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy prompting, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this.